Hey everyone, good to see you. Since coming to America, you really have to own a car. If you want to get around, without a car you really can't. That's one thing about America. Since coming to America, I had something I wanted to show you all. It was the car wash, but I put it off for 5 months. So today, I finally decided to introduce it. That's why I drove out here today. In America, there are several types of car washes. Today is self-service, but not fully self-service. Half the wash is done by automation, and the rest is where you vacuum yourself. So it's different from a true self-car wash. In America, places where you fully spray down your own car aren't that common. After the automatic wash, you vacuum the car yourself. I experienced this once before. It's not like a time system like in Korea, where you drop in a 501 coin and it runs for 1 minute. Here, that cost is included when you enter. You pay by card when you go in, and after you come out, vacuum time is flexible. Even if you work on your car for 30 minutes, nobody says anything. I found that really interesting. If you wiped your car for an hour and vacuumed the inside, even at just 1,001 per minute, that would cost quite a bit. But here it's pretty unique. So you pay once up front, go through the automatic wash, and then vacuum. That's when people seem to take care of their cars. They organize their stuff, clean the interior, and clean the glass more carefully if they want. The staff don't really pressure you or make you feel like you need to hurry out. Today's content may be really everyday stuff for Americans. They might think, why film someone at a car wash? It's just that common. As you live here, you end up washing your car. But because it's so common and so everyday here, the act of washing a car itself, for people like me who haven't stayed in the States long, or for people who just arrived, might make for useful video content. That's what I thought. Card. Right now, the place I'm at is Tommy's Express Car Wash. It has around 1,400 Google reviews. It's very close to the office. I'll try the cheapest wash here today. This morning, while getting my tires changed, I had the wheels cleaned. The tire shop cleaned the wheels for me, so I didn't need wheel cleaning. I paid $12 for the cheapest wash. The facility is actually pretty nice. To vacuum, I pulled into the vacuum lane. Looking at it, they have a detail kit. If you pay $5, they give you towels, compressed air, glass wipes, and other things like that as a kit. I guess they sell it separately. Even without paying $5, if you press the vacuum button, the vacuum starts right away. I'll vacuum up the trash inside myself. When vacuuming, this is the most important spot. There's a whole lot of dust here. I finished vacuuming inside. I ordered a coating product to help keep dust from settling on the car. Since I just washed it, I'll use the product that I bought on Amazon. Now I'm wiping down the exterior. The sun is really intense. When you choose a car wash, make sure you find a vacuum area that fully covers the car. I picked the wrong spot today. If you vacuum in a place like this, it's going to be rough. Keep that in mind. In person, the truck actually has a shine. But how shiny can a Ford F-250 really get? Anyway, the wash is finished nice and clean. For people living in America, I'm sure car washing is no problem at all. And you probably don't see this as important content or information. Of course not. I was the same way in Korea. But for people coming from Korea to America, when they actually try to wash their car, they may wonder, how is this place different? How do I pay? Can I use the vacuum? Without going in first, they may assume it's complicated. I was like that too. Since I was like that, I wanted to show it. As you saw, car washes are nothing difficult. They're just a little different. In Korea, after an automatic car wash, there usually isn't much parking space to vacuum. So you put in coins for about 3 to 10 minutes, use the vacuum, clean up, and leave. Here, it's a lot more relaxed. After the automatic wash, you come out to a vacuum area with plenty of space set aside. It goes all the way down there. So this space is plenty big, and you can take your time without worrying. Even if you leave late, nobody says anything. You can wipe off a few spots, and after you finish vacuuming, you can do a quick coating. You can even sit in the car and rest a bit. That's what a car wash in America is like. I wanted to share that through this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you next time, everyone.